The coolest dog ever, ladies and gentlemen. Literally carries the bull onto the couch.
Max, go. Hey, come, Max. Come, Max, come.
Warming up your whiskers, Sam?
See, just bite it. Gentle.
Why are you sleeping on the crate? You have the whole bed. Oh, okay.
Oh, God.
Isa?
Suka.
Don't you let me there? Holy.
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
Are you with me, Lions?
The choice is yours.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Winky, winky, dipsy, and motherfucking pug.
Henry, are you kidding? Henry, no!
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Since y'all wanted the full video.
Oh, God dang. Oh! Ah! Ah!
Don't let that leg fool you. Damn. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See, I'm the only true silverback gorilla up in this park, man. Y'all just some soft brown gorillas, man. Look at your soft arms, man. You see these brolic arms, man? Back up off me, man. Back. You know what it is. You see, I'm the only gorilla with an emote. See, I'm the only gorilla up in there that look like he can play in the NFL on any given team on any given Sunday. Me. You see, I'm the only one that can play with this robe and look brolic while doing it. Get your soft body the hell up out of here, man. I said what I said. You heard me? Back up. See, I'm the one that can stiffen his teeth while simultaneously bathing with his own homemade organic botanical soaps. And then I go lay out in the sun dramatically for the organic dry off. Me. You see, I'm the one that told your ass to stay off these ropes. Oh, you more formidable than I thought. See, I'm the one that's going to be the bigger man and retreat. And I'm going to just stand here and reflect and plot my revenge. Me. See, I'm the only songwriting silverback. Look at who you came to see. I wrote that song. Tony Baker ain't write nothing. He know what it is. You see, my name is Gerald, and I'm the one y'all sitting here looking at. Baby girl, let me give you a kiss from a rose on the grave. I got a man. Ooh, let me just slide on out of here, yeah.
Wonder what these fucking toads are up to. Sup, toads?
It's the almighty Jerry.
Hey, Jerry!
We love you, Jerry!
What the fuck are you bitches doing, dude?
We're not bitches, Jerry! Hey! Richard, what have you done?
Why did you do that?
What were you thinking?
Fuck you, Jerry! Richard, stop the fuck? Do I have to kill all of you now?
No,
What the fuck is your fucking
Jerry,
deal,
no.
fam? Seriously!
Eat your vegetables!
Eu comprei essa palhaçada aqui na internet, chegou essa semana. Eu preciso disso? Não. Vai me ser útil? Não. Eu me arrependo de ter comprado?
Hey!
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. Next. Get your tongue. Get it off my door.
Why are you so forceful at this biscuit factory? Nobody's gonna hire you.
Let's go right on with the plan and Roblox. How do you can eat? Look at all the Roblox. Let's go eat.
We're gonna try it again. Okay, Peanut. Come here. No!